I'm Cory Vollbrecht. I'm the Director of Operations here at Periculo. Periculo is a cybersecurity consultancy with a specialisation in the medical device and digital health space. We're a team of about 12 people. We're based in Wiltshire, so we're the southwest of England. And the team is split between security consultants, security engineers, and then we've got an operations team, so sales, marketing, and operations management team. Data is a cornerstone of kind of everything that we do here, whether that's business operations, sales, marketing. We use Geckoboard across the whole business, so every team has some sort of involvement within Geckoboard. We felt like we needed a tool like Geckoboard to actively track all of the statistics that we need to monitor. We had a gap in the business where we weren't tracking any metrics at all. So to overcome that, we decided to utilize Geckoboard because it pulls information from various different sources, which is exactly what we needed. Data sources that we utilize within Geckoboard, we use HubSpot, of course, for sales and marketing. We also link it with Jira for project management, ticket tracking. We also link it to our website as well, so website analytics and Google Advert analytics as well. So we view the dashboards across multiple different sources. We've got 2 TVs in the office, hopefully soon to be 3, with all of the rolling dashboards on them. But then we review individual dashboards across different meetings. So we have project management meetings where we review individual dashboards. We have internal sales and marketing meetings as well, where we'll review some of that information just on laptops. We do have a Slack integration, so we do also utilize it within Slack. We have notifications that go through daily to Slack to track overdue and upcoming tickets that go into separate Slack channels. So we've got a project management Slack channel with a report that goes in there every day, and we have a sales and marketing channel with reports that go in there every day as well. The difference between where we were before we had Geckoboard and where we are now with Geckoboard is that we've got a clear picture of business activities across the whole company. It allows us to save time, I think, which is one of the key elements of it. We can be more informed because we've got data readily available for us. The implementation of Geckoboard's had a really positive effect on the wider team. Quite often people operate in isolation, and having Geckoboard as a visual tool within the office has allowed members of the team to see what other members of the team are up to and celebrate some of their successes. So internally we do a thing called Feedback Friday, where we shout out successes that people have done. And we see a lot of feedback now within that Feedback Friday element of people celebrating work they wouldn't have otherwise seen. The dashboards motivate the team quite a lot, actually, and there's almost a competitive element in there as well now. So where we're tracking things like open tickets, we can see who's closed the most tickets, who's responded to the most requests. We're quite a competitive bunch in the office here, and I think this has kind of fueled that friendly, competitive nature as well. If the dashboards were to disappear tomorrow, we'd lose a lot of company insight, and I think it would negatively affect some things like forecasting and our ability to effectively track projects that are on track. For example, our customer success would probably take a hit. Our customer quality would probably take a hit as well. So I think it would put us back to the dark ages prior to having Geckoboard. It's illuminated the darkness a lot for us. All of our decision making was done uninformed, and I think now that we've got something like Geckoboard, we can actively plan better and just be more mindful on a lot of the decisions that we're making.